Unboxes legendary right here, and today we have another unboxing. So in aerospace, people like to collect patches, coins, other little models like you see in the background, other little memorabilia to represent the projects that they've worked on. Mostly in the industry, people collect coins, and that's what we're going to unbox today. So let's get into it. So a few months ago, Northrop Grumman unveiled the new bomber for the 21st century, the B-21 Raider, which will eventually replace the B-2 bomber. And if you look in this video right here, you can see the reveal of the Raider. And that's kind of what this product represents. Alright, so I have a little bit of background in design. I kind of took it upon myself to design these coins. They represent the B-21 Raider as part of our history in aviation. Oh my god, these things look so cool. So in aerospace, people like to drink, and I chose this design to be a bottle opener. As you can see right here, here's the date that the B-21 was revealed the Raider. It's detectable until it's not. This coin looks absolutely amazing. Great quality. Alright, so let me explain what these little designs mean. If you check out the rollout video on many links on YouTube, you can see every one of these planes to do a ceremonial flyover for the B-21. So yes, you got the B-52, the B-1, the B-2, and this right here is the B-21 with the Air Force logo underneath. And the background right here is Palmdale, California. Then here on the front, you got the flag in the background, the front of the B-21, top of the B-21, and of course the text, the date, and just a little phrase that the industry uses. It's detectable until it's not. So I'd like to thank the people at Aviation for help design and finalize these coins. So I give a big shout out to you guys, and you'll be hearing from me again in the near future.